For this questions, it is related to the tetrahedrons. Firstly, we just mark down the given information. We know that it is a regular tetrahedron. It means each of the sides are the same in the length. 3, 3, 3, 3, and this is also 3. So here we just mark down, give the name of different angle. It is A, and then it is B, C, and D. What we need to find out is the height of the tetrahedrons. It means we need to find out the height here. How to find out this height? Firstly, we need to use the triangle ABC. The triangle ABC, this one. And also we need to use the second triangle. It is the DCB. The reason is very simple. Firstly, we need to find ABC. We need the height here, and then we also need to find the height of DCB. And this contact point we call it M. And then lastly, we need to focus on the triangle ADM. It means this triangle ADM. And we use the area formula to find the answers. For this question, we need to use two formula. First one formula, it is the Heron's formula. It used to calculate the area of any triangle. In our computer, it is formula 3. And second, it is the area formula of triangle. Triangle. It is the base multiply the height and also over 2. We use this these two formulas. And firstly, for each of the sign, we know that AC, it is 3, AB also 3, and CB also 3. By the Heron's formula, we know the area of triangle ABC. We just calculate with the calculator. 3, 3, 3. We calculate the area is around 3.8971, and we use the formula to make the comparison. Here, it is the area, and this area is equals to the base. The base is 3 CB. Multiply the height, it is AM, and then over 2. So we can find the AM. It is a square root of 27 over 4. We just take this is the answer first, because if we take the decimal places, there may have some error due to the inaccurate decimals. And for this triangle, we also share the same kind of calculation method. DC also 3, and DB 3, CB also 3. So that here we can use this one. DM is equal to AB, AM. They share the same height. So here we know that this is also square root of 27 over 4. And after that, we just put the data into this triangle A, D, M. And here we may have O. This one is O. We need to find the height. The height is AO. We firstly mark down the the length of each of the side of the triangle. Firstly, AD is 3, from here 3, and then AM we have calculated, it is a square root of 27/4, and for the CM, it also the DM also it is square root of 27/4, and here we also use the Heron's formula, and then use the area formula of the triangle. Through the calculator, we know that the area of triangle ADM, it is equals to a square root of 81/8, and then we use this to compare with the area of the triangle. It is DM. Here is a square root 27/4. Multiply the height AO over 2. So we calculate AO. This one is 2 square root 27/4. And we can find the answer. It is square root of 6. So the height of this tetrahedron, it is the square root of 6. And once again, to repeat the calculation method, we will use two techniques. First is the Heron's formula. You use it to calculate the area of triangle. And second is the traditional triangle areas calculation formula. This is the base multiply the height and over 2. And this one is not too difficult, but we need we need more steps to handle it.